So it's summer. It's summer and it's a beautiful time of the year. My favorite time of the year. The weather's nice. It's nice and warm. It's hot. Everyone's going out and enjoying the weather, enjoying themselves. People are off school or work. They're going out and enjoying time with friends and family, maybe going out for drinks and having a blast, getting together with girls or whatever it may be. Now, the life I just described to you sounds pretty fucking interesting. But it kind of contradicts the life that you previously lived just a few months ago, where it was kind of colder, it was a bit more winterish, and you were on full grind mode. You didn't talk to anyone, you didn't speak to anyone. You had your same daily routine of waking up, maybe going to the gym right away, and then working on your business all day long, rinse and repeat. Now, summer comes along and everyone's starting to ask you, let's go out here, let's go out there, or let's do this, let's do that. And you find yourself kind of in a little pickle, as I like to say. You found yourself in a little contradiction where it's like, I want to go out, I want to enjoy myself, it's nice outside, but also I'm not spending as much time on my business as I should be. So what should you do? Now, this is such a big question because some people may agree that going out, enjoying yourself is beneficial. And some people say, no, I'm not in a position to go enjoy myself. I need to fully fucking grind, head down. Hot, cold weather does not fucking matter. I put your head down. Now, what is it? Well, again, usually you still want to work on your business in the summer, and you have a hard time saying no. No is the key question. You have a lot of family, friends, all coming up to you. Let's do this, let's do that. Birthday party here, party there, events here. And it's just like, how the fuck can I say no? How can I say no? It's so hard to say no. Not only do you not want to kind of offend the other person or not make them feel bad, but it's like you kind of want to go too, but you're trying to restrict yourself and you want to say no, but you really want to go. It's a whole situation. And basically, I wanted to touch on this topic on kind of what I'm going through and how I kind of deal with it. So I remember that last summer I kind of started developing this mindset of, okay, I need to work, I need to grind. So I'm like, even in the summer, I'm going to fucking work on my business. But that was far from the fucking truth, bro. I was going out constantly, enjoying myself. I was out partying, going on vacations, left, right, center. I barely did anything. So now, when I developed a better and stronger mindset throughout the last winter, now this summer comes along and I said, you know what? Last summer I fucked around. I agree. I admit, I said I would do this and I didn't. I fucked around hard. But this summer, I'm going to be strict. This summer I said, no, I can sacrifice one summer. I taste success coming so soon. I can sacrifice one summer. So I said I wouldn't go out at all. At all. Maybe I said a handful of times for birthdays or special events that you can't really miss. Which so far, beginning or halfway through the summer, I've been following through. I've went out a few times, but they were all for kind of birthdays. I am technically going on a family vacation in the next 2 weeks. Again, I can't really say no to that. But look, the thing is, I wish sometimes I was isolated. Like, it's so common that I see very successful people travel alone, or maybe with the people they work with, to kind of isolate themselves from fucking society, from everyone, because they really need to just grind. And it's like, I wish I can do that. And I'm looking to do that. But now, obviously, if you want to start traveling and living somewhere on your own in a different place where I am right now, it will cost some money. So obviously, I don't know if you know this. I'm pretty sure I said in the future, my recent goal is to stack up as much capital as possible and exactly do that. Travel somewhere, haven't decided where yet, and just lock in and focus. But as of now, I'm still living with my friends and family around me, and they're constantly asking to do this, that, whatever it is. And look, I know it's hard to say no, and trust me, I've stumbled sometimes too, where I went out for a little bit, even if it wasn't a special event. And at the end of the day, it depends on how you look at it. If you look at it as a good thing, that could be beneficial. If you're a social butterfly and you need to socialize for you to kind of have a proper mindset, maybe going out once in a blue moon won't hurt. But all I know is that at the end of the day, the decision you make is from you. Because if you ever make a decision because of someone else, you don't want to hurt how they feel or what they think about you, they have you on a tight fucking leash. Like a fucking dog who's not obeying, and they have you on a tight leash. That might hurt your fucking feelings, but I don't care. That's the fucking truth. Okay? And trust me, I've been fully aware of this myself. I know that I have to work on it too as well. But the second you make an opinion or a decision because of someone else, they have you on a tight leash. So if you're going to go out, make sure you are okay with going out. Don't go out having the excuse of, I'm going out because of someone else. Then you go out, you don't even enjoy yourself. It kind of actually even demoralizes yourself. And then you just even come back the day after even more demoralized because like, I fucking went out the day after, and your whole mindset's fucked. So basically, the advice that I can give you today, something that you can grasp and move on towards the rest of the summer, is just make the decision you want. If you think and want to go out once in a blue moon for a birthday or for some event, go ahead. And when you fucking go out, enjoy the fuck out of your time. Enjoy it. Enjoy the fuck out of your time. Or if you want to fucking stay home and grind, if you're in that dirty, grindy mindset, we always have these phases. I know we have a few months we're in grind mode, and the other times it's like, I want to go out, whatever. If you're in that dirty grind mode phase, then grind. Don't go out. Say no. Who cares? Just say no. Is that what you want to do? Then do it. It's such a simple kind of advice, like just do whatever you want to do. But it truly, I wanted to bring it up because so many people, including me, don't actually live by that. They don't actually live by the idea of I want to do what I want. No, a lot of people's opinions and decisions are based off other people's perceptions. Like, who cares? If your friends are all going out and you say no, and they're going to like, what a loser, bro. This guy is not. Bro, they shouldn't even be your friends to begin with anyways. It's a sad reality. But at the end of the day, like I said, it all matters on what you want to do. If you want to go out and enjoy the fuck out of it. Don't go, because I've suffered through that. I went out because of other people's opinions. And when I went out, I didn't enjoy myself. All I kept thinking about was my business, or I want to be home, and it just ruined my night and even ruined the day after. It wasn't fun. So again, make sure whatever you do is based off your decisions for you, and that's it. I think with that mindset, you'll have a good summer for both maybe enjoying yourself and for your work. I promise you, fuck what everybody else thinks. I swear, if people judge you on what you do, they're not good people to begin with. So it's like, it's a win-win. You do what you want to do, and you fucking filter out the bad people in your life, and you get rid of them. It's seriously a win-win. There's no loss. So just do whatever you want to do. And again, don't enjoy yourself too much. Remember, at the end of the day, we are in a stage and phase in our life where we should make more sacrifices. So I always had that strong mindset where, yes, it's very okay to enjoy yourself, but we're in a position right now where maybe it's better to just sacrifice a bit more. You need to grind a bit more, lock in a bit more, and then enjoy yourself a bit later down the line. But we're young, strong, healthy, motivated, disciplined. We're at our peak possible. Fucking take it to an advantage to grow as a person for both financial and personal. And that is exactly when you do that. I'll see you at the fucking